Did you forget your password to your Lovo AI account and don't know how to reset it? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your password on Lovo AI. Simply go to Lovo AI on any desktop browser or on your mobile device. Once you are on the home page, you can simply click on the sign in button, which you will find on the nav bar next to the sign up. As we don't remember our password, we need to reset it. If we look closely at the bottom right, we will find the forgot password button. It has a lock in front of it. Simply click on it and it will prompt us to enter the email address by which we created an account on Lovo AI. Now that you have entered the email address, click on send reset link. Now an email has been sent to the registered email address. Let's go to gmail.com. In Gmail, you will find something like this. Please reset your password. You will find the icon reset password here. And if you do not request this email, you can simply ignore it. For now, as I want to reset my password, I want to click on this button named as reset password. Now let's create a new password. You need to fulfill these criteria as well. English, number and one special character. At least 8 characters and no blank space. After everything is accepted, simply click on change. And your password has been successfully changed. Now let's try to sign in. And now let's enter our email and password. Now click on login. As you can see, we have successfully logged in and our password has been successfully resetted. Well guys, that's it for the video and that is how you reset your password on Lovo AI. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.